If you're seeing the Facebook error that says unable to process request, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get back into your page or account quickly. This is one of those frustrating errors that can happen because of a bad page load, a browser issue, cached data, or even a weak internet connection. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced steps. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, check if the page URL is correct. Sometimes this error appears simply because the link you opened is incomplete, outdated, or typed incorrectly. Take a moment to look at the address bar and make sure the URL matches the page you want to open. If everything looks correct, refresh the page or reload the browser. A quick refresh can often solve temporary loading problems, especially if Facebook failed to load properly the first time. If refreshing doesn't help, try opening the page in a new tab or restarting your browser completely. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store a lot of temporary data, and that data can become corrupted or outdated, which may trigger Facebook errors like unable to process request. To clear it, go into your browser settings, find Privacy or Browsing Data, and remove cached files and cookies. After that, close the browser and open Facebook again to test whether the issue is gone. If you still see the error, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Facebook from loading requests correctly, especially if you're trying to open a page, post, or account feature that needs a stable session. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, reconnecting to your network, or testing another website to see whether your connection is the problem. If other sites are also loading slowly, the issue may be on your network side rather than Facebook itself. Another helpful step is to try Facebook in a different browser or device. For example, if the error happens in Chrome, try Firefox, Edge, or Safari. You can also switch from desktop to mobile, or from mobile to desktop, to see whether the problem is limited to one device or browser. This helps you figure out whether the issue is caused by a local browser setting or something on Facebook's side. If the page still won't load, wait a few minutes and try again. Sometimes Facebook has temporary server-side issues that are outside your control, and the error may disappear once their systems recover. It can also help to log out of Facebook and log back in, especially if your session has expired or become unstable. That simple sign-in reset can sometimes clear the problem immediately. So to recap, if Facebook says unable to process request, first check the page URL, then refresh or reload the browser, clear your cache and cookies, and make sure your internet connection is stable. If needed, try another browser or device, and give Facebook a little time to recover. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.